Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Viki application on your iOS device. First of all, open up your App Store on your iOS device. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in Viki and search. Look for Viki, Asian drama, movies and TVs, this kind of an application by Viki Inc. Now, tap the Get button or the Download button to start downloading the app on your device. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm. After the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button. Now, you can sign up or log in to start watching your favorite dramas and movies. That is how you easily download and install Viki application on iOS. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wake&Tech for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.